wet pack. Smoked sausage. The lid's on there, and that's it. And we're still kind of warm. Pack these jars, uppercut, just fill them with water and skip this. This is a big pain in the ass, but you know, we'll see how that works. I'm gonna roll with this. Candy suckers. Timer on, I'm gonna pull us off the heat. There's a lot of that. Scary. Today I'm gonna can some smoked sausage. I'm gonna do one raw pack batch, and then the other one I'm gonna cook a little bit and then can it with water. Okay, the raw pack, we're just gonna fill these jars up to the top, the lid's on there, and that's it. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook these up just like this. Now the other half we're going to cook some of the fat out of it and then fill it with water and cook them. This half is gonna be chopped up, and we're gonna bring this to a boil, extract some fat, then pack the cans, add some water, and do a side-by-side raw pack versus wet pack. You're cooking down a little bit. I'm taking some of the water out. I'm going to scoop the fat off and use the water to pack some of these jars, and we'll wing it and see how it works. Alright, we got these cooked, and ooh, they're still kind of warm. I'm going to pack these jars up here, and then we'll fill them up with some of the water that we cooked them in, and we'll put them in a pressure canner and do it. Alright, put this outside. I'm going to let this cool off and then skim the fat off the top and fill the jars up with this. If you want to do a shortcut, just fill them with water and skip this. This is a big pain in the ass, but you know, I'm willing to go just a little bit extra just for a little more flavor. So okay, when I get the fat skimmed off, we'll fill up these jars and start pressure canning. Okay, I let this cool down. Now it's time to skim the fat and fill the jars. Got most of the fat skimmed off, and I'm going to fill the jars probably maybe 3/4 of the way with water. We'll see how that works. I got the wet packs filled up a little more than I said I was going to, but I'm going to roll with this. Time to put these in the pressure canner and let it rock. Alright. Get some water in here. I'm going to clamp this thing down, turn it on, and wait for it to start doing whatever the hell it's called. Alright, this thing's venting good. Build that pressure up. Alright, we're just about cruising at 10 psi. I'm going to put the timer on for 75, and I'll be back when that's done. Alright, I'm going to pull this off the heat, let it cool down, we'll open it up, and then we'll compare the raw pack versus the wet pack. We're going to open up this bad boy. Ooh. Alright, we'll let these cool off and we'll check out the dry pack versus wet. We have the sausage that was cooked on the left and took some of the fat off, and the right side was dry pack. You can definitely see the difference. There's a lot of fat.
So I made a quick dish with the dry pack sausage. All I did was shred up some cabbage, onion. I took all the sausage and the fat, fried everything up real good in the pan, sprinkled a little bit of caraway seed in there. That's it. It was super easy, super quick, and these are great to have in your cupboard. If you want to make a soup or a stew, you would use the wet packs. If you want to do an omelet or the dish I did with cabbage, you use the dry stuff. It's just convenient, saves a lot of time, and when you find sausage super cheap, take it home and can it. Thanks for watching.